So the right to privacy, basically, then, emerges from these penumbras. The spirit of the First Amendment, which is free speech, the spirit of the Third Amendment, which is the prohibition on forcing people to put up troops in their house, the spirit of the Fourth Amendment, which is freedom from searches and seizures, and the spirit of the Fifth Amendment, freedom from self-incrimination, and the Ninth Amendment, which is other rights. All these together create a right to privacy, a general right to privacy. This right to privacy, the court rules, is fundamental in that if you deny it, you're denying fundamental principles of liberty. And so what they've said here is this relationship of marriage lies within the zone of privacy created by all these constitutional guarantees. And it's a law which forbids the use of contraceptives. Notice that they italicize use, rather than regulating their manufacture or sale. And in doing that, it seeks to achieve its goals by means of having a destructive impact upon this private relationship, marriage. So this is an intrusive law. Such a law cannot stand in light of the familiar principle so often applied by this court that a governmental purpose to control or prevent activities constitutionally subject to state regulation may not be achieved by means which sweep unnecessarily broadly and thereby invade the area of protected freedoms. Would we allow the police to search the sacred precincts of marital bedrooms for telltale signs of the use of contraceptives? The very idea, the court says, is repulsive to the notions of privacy surrounding the marriage relationship. And then they say, they define marriage as a coming together for better or for worse. And it's, they say it's got a noble association in society. So we don't want to violate the privacy of marriage. And that's the basis on which they make their case, that there is a fundamental right to privacy, that marriage is something that falls under a protected place. You get to have privacy in your marriage, and therefore this law violates it, and they strike it down.